Dropshipping with Weebly allows you to sell products without managing inventory or shipping. Here's how to get started. Set up your Weebly store. Log into Weebly.com and create a new website. Choose an e-commerce template to simplify the store building process. Go to the Store tab in the website editor to start setting up your online store. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Partner with a dropshipping supplier like Pocket, Modellist, or Printful. These services integrate seamlessly with Weebly and provide access to a catalog of products. Sign up with your chosen supplier and select products to sell. Import products to your store. Many suppliers allow you to import products directly into your Weebly store. Use the supplier's integration tool or upload product details manually. Set up payments. In the store settings, link your Weebly store to a payment provider like Square, Stripe, or PayPal to process orders. Customize and launch. Design your store by adding branding elements and optimizing product descriptions. Publish your site to make it live and start promoting your store. Fulfill orders. When a customer orders, forward the details to your supplier. The supplier will handle packaging and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service.